Hi guys, so please good luck me because we are here to present our final defense in our packaging and business plan. So wish me luck and my group mates. So, ayan guys,
On
mas
the day.
important ito sa Christmas party.
On the day.
Yan, gumagawa pa lang kami ng aming ididikit sa aming packaging. So yan, inantay lang namin ang aming mga panelist